Why did the stock market crash? Everybody always asks me that. Why did the stock market crash? When is it going to crash again? What's going on? First of all, be very specific about what a crash is. Most of us are very spoiled with this now decade-long bull market. So when the market corrects for 5 or 10 or even 15%, it's not exactly an all-out crash. I've been there for stock market crashes. I've been there in 2008. Most of you guys weren't. I've been there in 2000 and 2001. Most of you guys weren't. So why does the stock market crash? Because it gets overvalued. Like right now, the stock market deserves to crash. It should crash. I pray every day for a crash, for some Sodom and Gomorrah-like pain to wipe out all you fucking newbies who don't deserve the money that you have. But until that happens, enjoy it. Enjoy this fairy tale. The stock market is always going to go higher. Environmentally friendly companies are changing the world. Let us all be good. I mean, I don't know when the market is going to crash or not, but be extra cautious when the market is up for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 years in a row. The higher something goes, the more risk it has. And this holds true with anything, not just the stock market, you know, the real estate market, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, your ego, you know, anytime something gets too high, you're ripe for a fall. This actually works very well with traders who make too much money too quickly. You know, they think they know everything. I kind of trade like a wuss. I don't know if you guys know this, but the way that I teach, the way that I trade, even though I trade penny stocks, I'm like the safest, like most cowardly trader in the world. I'm a little bitch when it comes to taking losses. Like I cut my losses like a little bitch. I have a whole DVD where I talk in a high-pitched voice. I'm a castrated choir boy. Like my balls got chopped off. You know, the priest tried to molest me, but there was nothing there to molest me with. Like that's how cowardly I trade. And I need you to understand that, because if you get cocky, if you get aggressive, I get messages all the time from people say, oh, Tim, you know, you sell too soon, you play it too safe. Well, I don't know, but I haven't seen too many people in the penny stock world with multiples of millions of dollars and consistency winning more times than not with very low stress levels and living the fucking dream life. So my cowardly way, I think, works. I'm scared of crashes all the time. I think that's a good mentality to have. Even if you're not trading penny stocks, when something goes up too much, be scared that it can crash. Even if it's not up that much, look at the fundamentals of why is a stock, why is a market, why is a sector up so much? If it's flawed, if it's due to leverage. You know, real estate was up due to so much leverage just a decade ago. The tech bubble of 2000, the stock market was up so much due to all this overvaluation. So when you have problems creeping in where people think that this market is new, like the old rules don't apply, no different than, you know, when Bitcoin got up to 20,000 and everyone's like, oh, it's going to 1,000,000. And then it came crashing down 70%. Maybe it rises again, maybe not, I don't know. But be extra careful when anything goes up too much. And also understand that you can make money short selling. I actually made millions of dollars shorting penny stocks that are about to crash. The whole world hates on penny stocks. I love them because many of them do crash and they're predictable, a lot more predictable than the stock market crashing. And you can make money when penny stocks crash. You can short sell. Obviously, you can short sell anything, but shorting the real estate market, if you've seen the movie The Big Short, I mean, it was a very tough strategy to achieve. If you're shorting like normal stocks like Tesla or Netflix, I have a whole bunch of people that message me that hate Tesla, they hate Netflix, and they've gotten crushed. Short selling, waiting for a crash. So I'd be very careful trying to bet on a crash of anything that has historically continued to go up. But penny stocks usually and historically tend to come crashing down. That's why I like to short sell them. So next time you want to ask me, why did the stock market crash or why did so-and-so crash? Start thinking about what are the odds of it crashing again, and stick with high percentage setups. And that means studying charts. That's why I have so many video lessons, DVDs, and webinars. I'm basically a glorified history teacher. I will teach you the charts so that you're not wondering if something is about to crash. Instead, you'll start seeing signs of a potential crash. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.